In my personal journey as an entrepreneur, I realized the importance of truly having a sounding board. Having said that, I've been lucky to have the right sounding board many a times in my life, because of which we could scale and grow our company. However, there have also been times when I couldn't find the right person at that moment, because of which I have had to pull the plug of at least 2-3 businesses in the last 10 years. That's when I realized that we entrepreneurs definitely need people who have achieved or successfully navigated what we are going through today, and who are willing to give their time so that they act as a sounding board to us. Our vision is to empower entrepreneurs to realize their fullest potential. How? Log on to Soundingboard.club, reach out to the best in the industry who can be your mentor and assist you with your current questions. This is what Soundingboard.club will do for you.